There are countless topics that you can write about in an article. Here are some ideas to help you get started. How-to articles. Write a step-by-step guide on how to do something, such as cooking a meal, fixing a problem, or building something. Lists and rankings. Compile a list of the top things in a particular category, such as the best books to read, the most beautiful places to visit, or the most popular social media platforms. Trending topics. Write about current events, hot topics, or emerging trends in your field or industry. Personal experiences. Share your personal stories, challenges, or triumphs with your readers. This can help you connect with your audience and inspire them to take action. Reviews. Offer your thoughts and opinions on a product, service, or experience that you have tried. This can help your readers make informed decisions. Interviews. Conduct an interview with an expert, influencer, or industry leader in your field. This can provide valuable insights and perspectives for your readers. Opinions and commentary. Share your thoughts and opinions on a particular issue or topic. This can help you establish your voice and point of view with your audience. Remember to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that is relevant to your audience. With the right approach, you can create a compelling article that engages and informs your readers.